Good morning. Today we start with lecture 9 of EDC 2, that is distortion in amplifiers. So we can see that distortion in amplifiers is said to occur if the output and input waveforms of an amplifier are not exactly the same. Ideally, the output should be exact replica of the input, but practically there is some distortion. The amplifier should raise the amplitude of the signal without changing its shape or its other parameters such as frequency, phase, etc. If the output and input shapes are same, the amplification is said to be faithful amplification, and the amplifier is a faithful or high fidelity, hi-fi in short, amplifier. Types of distortion. In amplifier, there may be following three types of distortions. First one is frequency distortion, second is phase distortion, third is amplitude distortion. Let us see. First type, frequency distortion. An input signal is made up of many frequencies. That is, practically all signals composite frequency signals. All signals are composite frequency signals. If all the frequencies are not equally amplified by the amplifier, it will cause frequency distortion and output shape will be distorted. For frequency distortion, reaction components, for example, inter-electrode capacitance of vacuum tube diodes, for example, triode, pentode, which are used for amplification. Coupling and other capacitors of the transistor amplifiers are also responsible. We can see that if this is the input signal where frequency distribution is from F1 to F2 like this, it is the input to an amplifier and we get this type of output, then this is called frequency distortion. For example, a signal contains frequency from F1 to F2. It may be possible that higher frequency of the signal are less amplified and lower frequencies are more amplified. This will produce a frequency distortion. We can see in figure that the higher frequency F2 is less amplified and lower frequency F1 is more amplified. Therefore, it produces frequency distortion. Next is phase distortion. In the phase relationship between various frequency components of its components is different in the output and input. Phase distortion is said to have occurred. Its reason is that the time transmission or delay introduced by the amplifier for different frequencies is different. Therefore, this is also called time delay distortion. For this, also the various capacitance are responsible. Now, the third type is amplitude or harmonic distortion. In this distortion, the output of an amplifier contains new frequencies which are not contained in the input. The new frequencies are harmonics of the frequencies contained in the input. This is the reason that this is also called harmonic distortion. The reason of this distortion is operation of the amplifier in its non-linear part of the characteristics. That is why this is also sometimes called a non-linear distortion. For example, if a signal contains frequency 100 Hz to 200 Hz, then the output of the amplifier will contain, in addition, harmonics of these frequencies. As shown in the figure, this is 100 Hz, this is 200 Hz signal frequency. As this is input to the amplifier, we get the output as 200 Hz, 100 Hz, 400 Hz, 200 Hz, 600 Hz, 300 Hz. So these are the harmonics of the original frequencies. So this is called harmonic distortion. Harmonic of 100 are 200, 300, 400 and so on. Harmonics of 200 are 400, 600, 800 and so on. Note that in all the distortions, the waves of the output is different from that of the input. So this is the third type of distortion. Thank you very much for attending my lecture. Like, share and subscribe my channel with your friends also.